Hi, my name is Stephanie Robbins, and I am the owner, the CEO, and all that jazz of Robbins Plumbing. And today I want to give you tips on how not to call a plumber because you backed up your bathroom sink. And you may not think that your bathroom sink goes through a lot, like your kitchen sink does. Like, we're always at it, always using it. But your bathroom sink, it goes through some stuff. So let's talk about ways to prevent it from backing up. It often surprises me that bathroom sinks are backed up from simple not knowing how or preventative maintenance issues. And I'm like, we can prevent this. And then you could call me for something cool, like a new water heater. So first tip I have for you, use a screen in your bathroom sink. So there is at the bottom of your sink a pop-up, and everyone's is a little different. Mine actually, it pops up, it has a push button, push down, push up, but inside of there is a built-in screen. It's actually kind of annoying because it won't let anything go through. I'm like, it's 4 a.m, toothpaste didn't make it on my toothbrush. But the sink's not going to back up. Just clear out the screen. Not my favorite thing to do. In fact, I tell my husband to do it. That's a fact. Ask him. But you want to make sure that you have a screen or something protecting larger debris from going down your sink. But think of everything that goes down your bathroom sink. Shaving cream, toothpaste, some people who do oil pulling, like a lot goes down there. You're shaving, all that, and it's just sitting there in the bottom of your P-trap. It's coming through here and it just kind of, Oh, also, random pro tip, you lose your ring down here, don't run water because your ring is sitting right here. The more you run water, the more you risk pushing it up there with other stuff. Turn your faucet off because we can save that wedding ring. Husbands get mad when you lose your wedding ring down your sink and let it go. So, pro tip, just saying, don't lose your wedding ring down the sink. So, we definitely want to make sure, as another tip, we're running enough water. In the desert, we are ingrained. Don't waste water, don't waste water, don't waste water, don't waste water. But your plumbing needs enough water to work. So if you're not running enough water and you're trying to get shaving cream and toothpaste and coconut oil, all these things down there, and not enough water, I'm 2 seconds, and it just sits there in the bottom of this P-trap and starts to harden. Shaving cream, all that stuff, turns into a rock. And I get it. I'm a native to Arizona and I know what it means to be in a desert and don't use water. Fun fact, you want to use enough water in Arizona because we recycle it, but you also don't want a stoppage. So as far as not wasting water, don't leave it on while you're brushing your teeth or while you're shaving, but make sure you give a good 15 seconds to wash that stuff through. That 2 seconds, not gonna cut it. And it just builds and it builds and it builds. The other thing you want to do is clean out your pop-up. So we talked that there's that piece in the bottom of your sink, pops up, pushes down, or it pulls up, it pushes down.
Try to point it to the drawer.
Apparently there's a pop-up in my drawer. One moment, please. Oh, there is a pop-up in my drawer. Oh, look at that. Pop-up, right? So this guy, you want to pull him out. Oh, or make someone else do it. Because this is often nasty. It has hair and gunk and buildup. The more often you clean this, the less nasty it's going to be. But a lot of times, clearing that is what you paid me $100 to do, and you could have pulled it out yourself. Okay, but I'll be honest, I'd happily pay someone $100 not to do this myself, because, So be prepared. If you're gonna pull this out, clean it, put yourself on a 30-day cycle. Reminder in your phone, change my air filters for my AC, clean my pop-ups. You're gonna pull this out, it's gonna be nasty. Have a trash bag with you, clean it up. You may never have a bathroom stoppage just by cleaning this guy. It's crazy. So then the other pro tip, if you have a stoppage in your bathroom sink, I'm gonna highly encourage you, I'm even gonna give you warning signs. Do not use a plunger and do not use chemical drain cleaners. Also, do not use a blow bag. So plungers and blow bags are going to put pressure on the fittings underneath your sink. So this is going to connect with a fitting. Over here is going to connect with a fitting. You start getting these seals and you put pressure on those that's not supposed to be there. They may not leak today, but they will eventually leak. The other thing, chemicals. So even if you have plastic underneath your sink that the chemicals aren't going to affect, do you know how those chemicals are going to affect the rest of your plumbing system? Do you have cast iron drain lines? Also, those chemicals can be harsh as far as an odor to your home and your family. So a better way to clear that is with something as simple as this. You can get it on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. You can get it at your local hardware store, but you're gonna literally take this out, put this in, and you're gonna pull all that stuff out. Because this is generic, bear with me, but, and then no chemicals. You clear this off, you rinse it off, you can reuse it, and problem solved. So when in doubt, definitely make sure you're not using chemicals, you're not using a blow bag, and you're not using a plunger putting pressure on that stoppage trying to push it through. We want to pull it out, if that makes sense. So if you do have a stoppage at your bathroom sink and that little guy didn't take care of it, definitely call a pro. You can reach us, of course, at robinsplumbing.com. You can reach us by email at info@robinsplumbing.com, and you can reach us at 623-486-4657. I hope these tips helped you. I hope you never have a bathroom stoppage, but if you do, you can definitely call us.